cmux now has a built-in SSH mode with two important features: a browser pane that automatically routes localhost through the remote machine, and you can also just drag and drop images into SSH'd Claude Code sessions. So first, let's SSH into my Mac Mini. You can see this is our Mac Mini here. And let's start a Claude session and drag in an image. And as we wait for Claude to respond, let's look at NeoFetch again. Okay, yeah, this is the Mac Mini. Let's also cd into NeoFetch Next.js. This is a little project that will it's a Next.js app that's kind of a NeoFetch that has a little image, so we can clearly see that we're in the Mac Mini. And here we can see that Claude Code can see the image, and it kind of just works. And when we drag in an image, we upload it via SCP, and stuff just works if you use cmux SSH. And here you can see that this is localhost 3000, and it's talking to cmux, the cmux Mac Mini that we're SSH'd into. And compared to this workspace, this localhost 3000 is talking to a completely different machine. This is my local machine, so if I kill this will stop working. If I start, and we can check that it still works in this workspace, because cmux knows that this entire workspace, every single tab we make, every single split we make, will be inside the SSH session. And then I guess just to drive the point home, we can start a Python dev server on port 8000, and here we can see localhost 8000. This is showing the Mac Mini that we're SSH'd into. And if we go to localhost 8000 here, we can't see anything here because we don't have anything in our local MacBook. So let's start a Python dev server here and reload, and it just works. And you can see this is localhost 8000, and this is the exact same localhost 8000, except they're pointing at different things because of how cmux can separate workspaces into SSH remotes. And yeah, this is cmux SSH. It's in the latest version of cmux.